It's sunny. It's sunny in Vancouver.
First up, let's talk about some big news shaking up the construction industry in BC. This week, the BC Construction Association, BCCA, and the Vancouver Regional Construction Association, VRCA, have proposed creating a new Ministry of Construction in British Columbia. Why does this matter, you ask? In the middle of a housing crisis and with elections around the corner, this proposal could be a game changer for BC's economy. Think about it. The construction sector currently contributes a whopping $27 billion to BC's GDP with over $160 billion worth of projects underway. Yet, there's no dedicated government ministry to represent this vital industry. The BCCA and VRCA suggest that a new Ministry of Construction could streamline processes, cut through the infamous red tape, and tackle the industry's most pressing issues. This could mean more efficient construction processes, impacting everything from property prices to investment opportunities. It's not just about numbers, it's about the future. As we edge closer to election season, all eyes are on this proposal. Could we be on the verge of a significant shift in how construction is managed across the province?
Join us on this journey to find your dream home in Vancouver.